Let's try to bring this together with a set of guidelines for creating the contemporary business document. First, know that it's more than okay for your document to resemble an outline rather than a wall of paragraphs. The paragraph is quickly losing ground as the primary building block of business documents. Second, write text as if you're writing bullets. In other words, use fewer words, not more. Keep sentences short. Remember, there's an 80% chance that what you write will be read on the small real estate of a mobile device's screen. Third, whenever possible, convert paragraphs into lists and tables. Doing so will force you to use fewer paragraphs and, consequently, less text. If you have to use them, keep paragraphs short. Gone are the days of the 8 to 12 line paragraph. We're mobile now. Paragraphs longer than a few lines will fill the mobile screen with a word salad that nobody hungers for. Create document sections with headings. Use these headings to signal or signpost each main point. Divide your document with all the headings you think you need, then add 10% more. You'll almost be there. And remember, who's your audience? Skimmers, scanners, idea pickers, and info-grazers. Put items of key information in their own chunk. A chunk can be any kind of section containing a distinct point. Today's readers scan for chunks and avoid paragraphs, which require word-for-word reading and decoding, which takes time. Finally, design chunks to stand out visually. Think in terms of tables, lists, colored type, white space, bullets, icons. Try to make your chunks as visually distinct as possible. All of this adds up to one very important point. Today, you no longer write a business document. You design it. Why? Because today, people remember 80% of what they see and only 20% of what they read. Because today, you aren't just a business writer, you're a visual communicator.